Okay guys, you have completed 12 sentences. So today I will speak Hindi and you have to translate in English. So are you ready to make the sentence? Are you definitely ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can I ask?
Yes.
Okay, मैं जाता हूँ.
I go.
मैं नहीं जाता हूँ.
I do not go.
क्या मैं जाता हूँ?
Do I go?
क्या मैं नहीं जाता हूँ?
Do I not go?
मैं क्यों जाता हूँ?
Why do I go?
मैं क्यों नहीं जाता हूँ?
Why do I not go?
मैं गया था.
I went.
मैं नहीं गया था.
I did not go.
क्या मैं गया था?
Did I go?
क्या मैं नहीं गया
Did I
था?
not go?
मैं क्यों गया था?
Why did I go?
मैं क्यों नहीं गया
Why did I
था?
not
मैं
go?
जाऊँगा.
I will go.
मैं नहीं जाऊँगा.
I will not go.
क्या मैं जाऊँगा?
Will I go?
क्या मैं नहीं जाऊँगा?
Will I not
मैं
go?
क्यों जाऊँगा?
Why will I
मैं
go?
क्यों नहीं जाऊँगा?
Why will I
मैं
not
कब
go?
जाऊँगा?
When I go, when will I go?
मैं कब नहीं जाऊँगा?
When will I not
मैं
go?
किसके साथ जाऊँगा?
With whom will I go?
मैं किसके साथ नहीं जाऊँगा?
Will I not
मैं
go?
किस लिए जाऊँगा?
Forward will I go?
मैं किस लिए नहीं जाऊँगा?
Forward will I not go?
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा
I
हूँ.
am not going.
क्या मैं जा रहा
Am I
हूँ?
going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा
Am
रहा
I not
हूँ?
going?
मैं क्यों जा रहा
Why
हूँ?
am I going?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा
Why
रहा
am I
हूँ?
not-
मैं
why
जा
am I
रहा
not
था.
going?
I was going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा था.
I was not
क्या मैं
going.
जा रहा था?
Was I going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा
Was
था?
I not
मैं क्यों
going?
जा रहा था?
Why was I
मैं
going?
क्यों नहीं जा रहा
Why
था?
was I not going?
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I will be going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा
I
हूँ.
will be not going.
I will not be going.
I will not be going.
क्या मैं जा रहा हूँ?
Will I be going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ?
Will I not be
मैं
going?
क्यों जा रहा हूँ?
Why will I be going?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँ?
Why will I not be going?
मैं चला गया हूँ.
I have gone.
मैं नहीं गया हूँ.
I have not gone.
क्या मैं चला गया हूँ?
Have I gone?
क्या मैं नहीं चला गया हूँ?
Have I not gone?
मैं क्यों जा चुका हूँ?
Why have I gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा चुका
Why
हूँ?
have I not
मैं
gone?
चला गया था.
I had gone.
मैं नहीं गया था.
I had not gone.
क्या मैं चला गया
Had
था?
I gone?
क्या मैं नहीं चला
Had
गया
I
था?
not gone?
मैं क्यों चला गया था?
Why had I gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा चुका था?
Why had I not gone?
मैं चला गया हूँगा.
I will have gone.
मैं नहीं चला गया
I
हूँगा.
will not have gone.
क्या मैं चला गया हूँगा?
Will I have gone?
क्या मैं नहीं चला गया
Will
हूँगा?
I have not gone?
मैं क्यों चला गया हूँगा?
Why will I have gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं चला गया हूँगा?
Why will I not gone?
मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँ.
I will have been.
I have been going since
I
morning.
have been.
I have been going since
I
morning.
have been going since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
I have not been going since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँ?
Have I been going since
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूँ?
morning? Have I not been
Going since morning. मैं सुबह से क्यों जा रहा हूँ?
Why have I been going since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँ?
Why I have not
Why have I not been?
Why I have not been
Why have
Why have
I not been going since morning?
I have going since morning?
मैं सुबह से जा रहा था.
I had been going since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा था.
I had not been going since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से जा रहा था?
Had I been going since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा था?
Had I not been going since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्यों जा रहा था?
Why had I been going since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्यों नहीं जा रहा था?
Why had I not been going since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से जा रहा हूँगा.
I will have been going since
मैं
morning.
सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूँगा.
I will not have been going since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँगा?
Will I have been going since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा
Will I
हूँगा?
have not been going since morning?
मैं सुबह से क्यों जा रहा हूँगा?
Why will I have been going since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँगा?
Why will I have not been going since morning?
Okay, you are doing great, you are doing well. So today I want to ask you one question again, and I want to tell you, you have completed with Hindi translation. So are you ready without Hindi translation? Okay, I go, I do not go. Azama.
I go, I do not go. Do I go? Do I not go? Why do I go? Why do I not go? I went, I did not go. Did I go? Did I not go? Why did I go? Why did I not go? I will go, I will not go. Will I go? Will I not go? Why will I go? Why will I not go? I went.
I am going.
I am going. I am not going. Am I going? Am I not going? Why am I going? Why am I not going? I was going. I was not going. Was I going? Was I not going? Why was I going? Why was I not going? I will be going. I will not be going. Will I be going? Will I not be going? Why will I be going? Why will I not be going? I have gone. I have not gone. Have I gone? Have I not gone? Why have I gone? Why have I not gone? I had gone. I had not gone. Had I gone? Had I not gone? Why had I not gone?
Why had I gone?
Why had I gone? Why had I not gone? I will have gone. I will not have gone. Will I have gone? Will I have not gone? Why will I have gone? Why will I have not gone? I have been going since morning. I have not been going since morning. Have I been going since morning? Have I not been going since morning? Why have I been going since morning? Why have I not been going since morning? I had been going since morning. I had not been going since morning. Had I been going since morning? Had I not been going since morning? Why had I been going since morning? Why had I not been going since morning? I will have been going since morning. I will not have been going since morning. Will I have been going since morning? Will I not have been going since morning? Why will I have been going since morning? Why will I have not been going since morning?
Zabardast, Zabardast. You are doing great. You are doing really, really amazing, guys. Okay, Zama, tell me about one thing. For how long have you been learning English at Bright Future Institute?
Sir, I have been learning English over here 1.5 months only.
Okay, 1.5 months. Really, guys, you are doing. Guys, इन्हें अभी English Bright Future Institute ज्वाइन किए हुए सिर्फ 1.5 महीना हुआ है और 1.5 महीने के अंदर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त बोल रहे हैं। और यहाँ पर इंग्लिश सीखने की ड्यूरेशन 6 मंथ है और 6 मंथ में इंशाल्लाह और भी ज़्यादा ये इंग्लिश बोलने में कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा और इंशाल्लाह इन्हें अमेरिकन एक्सेंट, ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट इनकी ज़बानों पे होगा इंशाल्लाह। ओके गाइस, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ओके।